Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term toss the salad. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, toss the salad is a slang phrase referring to mixing or stimulating things, often with sexual connotations. People use it when talking about preparing food or as a coded sexual expression. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Toss the salad first showed up in the late 20th century, shifting from a literal culinary phrase to a sexual slang term. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger adults and internet communities. Now let's check out how to use toss the salad in a sentence. Correct example 1. She told me to toss the salad carefully to mix all the ingredients perfectly. Correct example 2. I need to toss the salad before the guests arrive. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said toss the salad at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using toss the salad right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Toss the salad means a slang phrase about mixing or stimulating, often sexual. It started in late 20th century slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with toss the salad in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.